What do you think is happening in Grünheide near Berlin, where Tesla Giga Berlin has already started operations? What is happening there may also be happening at Gigafactory Texas, because we're learning how Tesla leads the rush of international companies to Giga Berlin area. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harian from TalkNews.com. The settlement of Tesla Giga Berlin in Grünheide has significantly increased the demand for commercial and industrial settlements. The whole region benefits from this, reports RBB24, Brandenburg's public radio. But the boom also has its limit, reports Martin Kraus from RBB. Let's see what those limits are. It's a company with allure. I'm talking about Tesla, the US electric car maker Tesla. Since the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, announced in November 2019 that he wants to build his first European gigafactory in Grünheide near Berlin, German companies have changed their view of East Brandenburg. But not only, there are also lots of international companies that have changed their view of East Germany, especially East Brandenburg. That shows the attraction that Tesla has created, says Rüdiger Hage. Now, Hage is the managing director of the infrastructure and project development company in Potsdam. But before I go any further, I want to say here's how it changed. When you look at Germany, the automotive industry is mainly focused in the south of Germany, in Bavaria, near Munich, like BMW and so on. Now with Tesla, especially such a big allure company with such a big allure, the direction and the view is moving to north, toward Berlin area. This is why I'm reporting saying that these international and German companies have changed their view of East Brandenburg. Probably before they were looking to Bavaria, Munich area, now they're looking to Berlin area. So, together with his employees, I'm talking about the employees of Hage, who is the project managing director of the infrastructure and project development company called IPG in Potsdam. So, together with his employees and in cooperation with cities and municipalities, he supports companies that are looking for suitable industrial and commercial sites in Brandenburg. It has increased significantly over the past few years, he reports. There are more companies looking to Brandenburg just after Tesla came to Giga Berlin area. There are now up to 30% more inquiries than in the years before Tesla settled at Giga Berlin. This is also confirmed by Thomas Krieger from the SDU, mayor of the municipality of Fredersdorf-Vogelsdorf, Märkisch Orland. He says a large industrial company like Tesla naturally attracts an incredible number of supplier companies, and the supplier companies attract other companies. That's a positive one domino effect for the entire region. The first companies have also settled in his community as part of the Tesla settlement, just under 15 minutes by car from Tesla Giga Berlin factory. The French company SAS Interior Modules and the South Korean Halla Corporation have settled also in a hole in the commercial area directly on the A10 motorway. Tesla Giga Berlin is also on the A10 highway. According to Krieger, SAS builds fitting for the US electrical car manufacturer Tesla, while Halla assembles tires. These are Tesla suppliers. Other cities and communities are also reporting similar effects just after Tesla came to the region. Now let's talk about the international focus. The project developer Alcaro has been building a large logistics location in Frankfurt on Oder since 2018. A total of 6 properties are to be built there on around 44 hectares under the name Log Plaza for around 150 million euros. Hall A, with a total of 41,000 square meters, is almost finished. The demand in recent months has shown that the location is popular, says project manager Peter Bergman. This increased again with Elon Musk's announcement after Tesla, when he said, when we started here 3 years ago, many people asked me, where is Frankfurt on Oder? This question no longer exists today. This Tesla settlement is this location has also become an international focus. In fact, I did not know the name Grünheide before I started reporting about Tesla Giga Berlin. In the beginning, when I was reporting about Giga Berlin, I was reporting Grünheide, and my German colleagues and friends corrected me saying it's not Grünheide, it's Grünheide. I started fixing that, and now everyone in the world, a lot of people, especially Tesla enthusiasts, know where exactly Giga Berlin is located. Now, this is also the international focus of Giga Berlin area, Grünheide and East Brandenburg, that is also confirmed by Rüdiger Hage from the IPG, which I just mentioned above. Companies from all over Europe, North America, and Asia are now interested in East Brandenburg. But it's not just about companies from the automotive industry. We have inquiries from the pharmaceutical industry, aerospace, medical device construction, actually all sectors, he reports. However, this is starting to cause problems. So let's see what problems those are. Hardly any commercial space is left in East Brandenburg. In the immediate vicinity of Märkisch-Oderland to Frankfurt, we have an occupancy rate of 93% of the commercial space, Hage continued to RBB. In the meantime, the IPG can no longer serve all of the inquiries because above all areas of size from 30 hectares, all hardly available, especially around the municipality of Grünheide. For this reason, according to Hage, additional areas would have to be designed. This is already happening, as he reports. The development of further commercial and industrial areas in Alsenberg, Neuenhagen, and near Berlin in the district of Märkisch-Oderland, as well as Schönestrich, Fronswald, Storkow, Bissow, and similar areas, have already been initiated, or is at least being planned for new commercial areas, friends. In addition, Eisenhut and Stadt, together with the Briscoe Feinkert and Schulabetal, have pushed for a joint larger industrial area developments. But that takes time. Nothing works there for less than 3 years. Sadly, that's the reality, says Rüdiger Hage about the process. I mean, you know how long things may take in Germany, considering the bureaucracy and so on. You know how long it took Giga Berlin with so many public discussions and then approvals taking time. Although Tesla Giga Berlin built in a very short time, according to German standards. Now, because the companies also want more of the so-called Tesla speed in municipal development, this is why it's taking long time. Until then, it's important to keep potential buyers, at least in Brandenburg, says Rüdiger Hage. So what do you think about all of these, friends? Let me know your thoughts. Now, also the approval documents for the Tesla Giga Berlin factory have been publicly available since Tuesday. The decision of the Brandenburg State Environment Agency can be seen on the internet. I may have a separate report on that. This is Armen Harian from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a blessed day. God bless you, everyone, and I'll see you soon in our next report.